If you've ever wondered how creators make those sleek, professional previews for shirts, posters, book covers, or digital products, you're about to learn the secret. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create gorgeous mockups in Canva for 2025, step by step, so you can present your ideas in a polished, realistic way that instantly elevates your work. Before we dive in, grab your device and open Canva. If you don't already have your document set up, no worries. When you land on Canva's homepage, you'll see a wide selection of design sizes and templates. You can choose a completely blank canvas if you want a fresh start, or pick a template that matches the project you're working on, maybe an Instagram post, a product label, a YouTube thumbnail, anything. Think of this as your digital workspace, the equivalent of opening a clean sketchbook where your ideas can unfold naturally. Once your canvas is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This entire panel is your creative toolbox. You'll see options for uploads, text, photos, and more. But for mockups, focus on the Elements tab. Go ahead and click it. This section is like a treasure chest filled with shapes, illustrations, frames, and interactive features that can completely transform your design. Now, here's where the real magic starts. At the top of the Elements menu, you'll see a search bar. Type in Mockups. As soon as you do, Canva will display a variety of categories: graphics, photos, frames, smart mockups, and more. This categorized view helps you quickly narrow down exactly what you need. Scroll through the results and take a moment to explore. Canva's mockup selection in 2025 is surprisingly rich. You'll find everything from t-shirt mockups to device screens, packaging, album covers, posters, mugs, business cards, and even lifestyle scenes where your design appears naturally in real environments. Whether you want your artwork on a laptop screen, your logo on a sweatshirt, or your book cover in someone's hand, there's a mockup designed specifically for that purpose. Once you find one that fits your vision, simply drag it onto your canvas. If you're using a smart mockup or a frame style mockup, you can drag your design directly into it, and Canva will snap it perfectly into place. This gives your design a clean, realistic look almost instantly. Play around with sizing and positioning. Mockups are meant to be flexible, so feel free to experiment. Don't hesitate to test out a few different mockups to see which one matches your style the best. Maybe your design looks great on a simple flat lay, but even better on a lifestyle photo. This part of the process is all about exploration. The more you try, the easier it becomes to see what enhances your visual story. And just like that, with only a handful of clicks, you've transformed a simple design into a professional, presentation-ready mockup. It's such a small step, but it truly takes your work from basic to branded. If you keep experimenting with the different mockups Canva offers, you'll quickly get a feel for what works best for your style, your message, and the kind of audience you want to attract. It's an incredibly fun and intuitive process once you get the hang of it. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this walkthrough makes creating mockups in Canva feel effortless and enjoyable. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep creating. I can't wait to see what you come up with.